Hi, I'm Sydney, a software engineer on the GAssist team. Project GAssist is an experimental AI assistant that helps you optimize your RTX gaming PC, chart performance, control peripherals, and more, all on command. We're excited to announce we're updating GAssist with a new model that uses less memory and is more capable. With this new model, we're expanding access to all RTX GPUs 6 gigs and above, including RTX laptops. One of the great things about GAssist is that anyone can build plugins to extend its capabilities. Our recent GAssist plugin hackathon showed off how versatile GAssist is with some great submissions. Let's take a look.
Here's Launchpad, which lets you set, toggle, and switch between custom app groups on the fly.
Hey Launchpad, create a mode called Gaming with Steam, Discord, VLC, and Chrome included. Start gaming mode.
This is Notepad. Through Notepad, you can add, edit, and search notes while gaming.
Hey Notepad, show me my entries from the Notepad artifact coordinates for the game Arc.
Next up is Flux, which uses Nvidia's on-device Gen AI NIMs to generate or edit images right from the GAssist overlay.
Hey Flux, can you set my desktop background to a neon green futuristic city?
To make accessing plugins like these easy, we've teamed up with Mod.io to launch a plugin hub. Share, discover, and download plugins, and even install them straight from GAssist. Your feedback and contributions are shaping the future of how we interact with our PCs. Download the new Project GAssist update from Nvidia App later this month. Next up, the GeForce Now team will share some exciting announcements.
Our new RTX 5080 servers are joining the Ultimate fleet in September, and they'll give you extra smooth gameplay with super low latency.
Even faster than a lot of gaming PCs. And more devices will run at higher frame rates too.
We've also been listening to your feedback around image quality, and our new cinematic streaming mode makes huge improvements there.
But the introduction of Nvidia Blackwell to GeForce Now doesn't just mean more performance. It will also include new features, including one that expands the GFN library instantly. Right, Andrew?
That's right. It's called Install to Play. Right now, there are over 2,000 ready-to-play games available on GeForce Now. These games are pre-installed, always kept up to date, and ready for you to stream instantly. But what if the game you had your eye on hasn't been added yet? Well, that's where Install to Play comes in.
Yeah, with this feature, as soon as a publisher opts into cloud streaming on Steam, you can download, install, and stream their game on GeForce Now.
And no matter what type of game, when you want to take those games on the go, GeForce Now has you covered as well. Earlier this year, we launched a GFN native app for Steam Deck, and our new RTX 5080 servers can now stream at an enhanced 90 frames per second, along with doubling your battery life. You get all the benefits of an RTX 5080 gaming rig bundled with the portability of your Steam Deck. Let's take a look.
Hey guys, so this is pretty exciting. You know when you spot a friend playing a game on Discord and you want to try it too, but you just don't have it yet? Well, that got us thinking, what if cloud gaming could make it as easy as clicking a button? So we've teamed up with our friends at Discord and Epic Games to make that happen. Soon, you'll be able to try Fortnite in seconds with no downloads or installs. Just instant access, powered by GeForce Now, no more waiting, no more FOMO. Just hit try game to join the action, all without leaving Discord. Now, let's hear from Discord. They've got more to share.
Hello, I'm Stan Wisniewski, and I'm the CTO and co-founder of Discord. We've had a vision for players trying new games instantly inside of Discord, and GeForce Now has proven itself to be the leader in high-performance cloud gaming to make this possible. Demoing this with Fortnite is a great way for us to prove this concept out and create a compelling experience for players in the future. And we've been actively working with Nvidia to bring this new experience to life. We'll have an exclusive demo that we're excited to share at Gamescom, limited to a small group. We really look forward to bringing this experience to Discord, and we'll have more news soon, so stay tuned.
Hi, I'm Henry, and I'm here to talk to you about Nvidia App. We created the Nvidia App to optimize your gaming experience by modernizing and unifying the Nvidia control panel and GeForce experience. At Gamescom, we're releasing a new version that delivers on some of your top requests. We've improved the experience of DLSS Override, a feature that allows you to add DLSS 4 multi-frame generation with the latest Transformer AI models. We've added a global toggle to instantly apply DLSS 4 across all supported titles, so you don't have to individually configure each one. We've also updated the in-game statistics overlay to show which DLSS override settings are enabled. Earlier this year, we introduced smooth motion for RTX 50 series GPUs, which improves frame rates for smoother gameplay in over 1,000 games and apps. Now, smooth motion support is coming to GeForce RTX 40 series GPUs with our latest game-ready driver. The Nvidia App Update also brings over additional control panel features, including Nvidia Surround, as well as 3D settings such as anti-aliasing, MFAA, physics, texture filtering, and background application max frame rate. The beta launches August 19th. Enroll in early access within the app or wait for the full rollout the following week. Please let us know what you think.
Hey everyone, Nvidia Ace is our suite of AI technologies that bring game characters to life. Ace was most recently seen in the Steam bestseller Craft in Zenzoi, where NPCs can react more dynamically based on a player's text input. This unlocked new ways to build and run your own world simulation. Today, I'm here to show off a brand new indie title enhanced with Nvidia Ace, called The Oversight Bureau by Iconic Interactive. You play as a prisoner trying to escape a cognitive reconditioning facility and must undergo voice-driven simulations to prove you're a compliant member of society. Let's take a look.
Everyone's gone. It's dark and there's so much smoke. I think there's a fire. Please help me get out of here.
Run across the corridor. Do you see any stairs or an elevator?
Yes, there's some stairs at the end of the corridor. I made it to the first floor. Oh no!
What's going on? What do you see?
The fire. It's everywhere. It's blocking the way to the exit.
I don't think you have much time left. I think you should try to run across.
Okay, I'm going for it. Oh no. Oh no.
Well, that backfired.
Unfortunately, I failed the simulation test, but you could try your hand at the Oversight Bureau later this year.
Wow, that was great. What was your favorite part, you guys? That was so good. GeForce 5090, GeForce Blackwell. Isn't it amazing?